Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lua. I'll be sharing today 5 of my most loved and simple but healthy breakfast recipes that anybody can enjoy. This flourishes your body with the right nutrients, vitamins to start the day. So let's get straight in. Sit back, relax and enjoy. I just realized that I lost the footage of the actual pancake mixture, but I used oats, milk, some baking powder, eggs, and protein powder. I want to talk about oats. If you notice, in most of the recipes have oatmeal, and this is I consider a superfood in my opinion. It is really rich in important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. But I paired this with some mixed berries, some grapes, and bacon. This is like an all-day breakfast. It was so good. Oats is something that you can include in each of your meals every day and just play around with it. If you notice, I also use a lot of protein powder because this brings up my protein intake for the day. And after I have a breakfast like this, I'm guaranteed to have the protein almost I need for the day. I might just add 30 grams extra. So this was a very hot day. These are the last days of the summer sun in the UK, and it was boiling, and I wanted a refreshing drink. So I had this with a croissant, and I put some ham and cheese in my croissant, which is something I've not had in ages. And you can always treat yourself every now and then. You deserve it. It's so hot and this is so refreshing. And this brings me to my last breakfast, which is overnight oats. Overnight oats has a lot of very different flavors, recipes that you can put together. I just wanted something that had berries because I love berries for antioxidants. So I had blueberries and I wanted some nuts. Although I added almond paste, almond butter, I just felt like with some cashews this would just give it the extra kick, and my tooth felt like I needed something sweet, so I sprinkled some agave nectar. And this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching, and for similar videos consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Bye bye.